I hope you guys are learning a lot. I want to kind of sum up this section before we move on to your homework assignments and really make sure you understand what this course is about and basically your knowledge of how you could get yourself to become a better person, a better trader, and how to just really continue growing towards your goals. You need to understand the role of psychology and is that it's crucial in trading. Common psychological biases can impact trading decisions. Emotional intelligence helps traders make better decisions. Positive thinking can have a powerful impact on trading performance. Discipline and self control are essential for successful trading. Stress management is important to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Overcoming fear and greed can help traders make better decisions. Risk management is essential to protect capital and achieve long term success. Developing a winning trader mindset involves adopting the right attitude and beliefs. Self evaluation and continuous improvement are key to success in trading. So, understand yourself, know what you want, have rules, grow, focus on losing less rather than making more, and then refine and continue during your journaling and reflection. And through that, it's literally a fail-proof system. If you do all these, and like I said, we'll dive into these in depth later on in the course. But if you do this and actually stick to it and go through the steps, you're gonna become not only a better trader but a better person and be able to win at life.